To install the Passwarden extension for Chrome, you need to follow these instructions. Go to the Passwarden website. Navigate to the Downloads menu and select Chrome in the pop-up window. Then click on the Chrome Web Store button. Click the Add to Chrome button. Click Add Extension in the pop-up window. To start using Passwarden, you need to log in using your Keep Solid ID, or click the Sign Up button if you don't have one yet. To register your Keep Solid ID account, enter your email and password. Repeat your password. Check the box. Click on the Create button. Enter the 6-digit code that was sent to your email address, or click the verification button right in the email. If you didn't receive any email, please check the spam folder. Your Keep Solid ID account has been created successfully. To pin the extension in the Chrome toolbar, click on the puzzle icon and then click on the pin icon next to Passwarden in the pop-up window. To start using Passwarden, click the extensions icon in the Chrome toolbar and set up a master password, the password for your Passwarden account. Create a strong password. Confirm your password and click the Next button. You will get a recovery key. This key will help you to access your account if you forget your password, so press Save to download it and then click OK. And that's it. Chrome Passwarden extension successfully installed. Enter your master password. Import any passwords you want, and get started with a new password management experience.